Welcome students. Today we want to discuss differentiation chapter chain rule lecture 3. Differentiate with respect to x. There are three examples. First is 1 plus 4x raised to 5 into 3 plus x minus x square raised to 8. This is of the type u into v. So take y as given function 1 plus 4x bracket raised to 5 into 3 plus x minus x square bracket raised to 8. It is of the type u into v. U into v. So y is equal to u into v. Therefore differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx by the product rule. So putting the values of u and v, dy by dx u 1 plus 4x bracket raised to 5 into d by dx of v 3 plus x minus x square bracket raised to 8 plus v 3 plus x minus x square bracket raised to 8 into d by dx of u 1 plus 4x bracket raised to 5. 1 plus 4x bracket raised to 5. Now we have to calculate derivative of this function 3 plus x minus x square bracket raised to 8. You have to use chain rule. F of x raised to n. Derivative of f of x raised to n is n into f of x raised to n minus 1 into f dash of x. So we get 1 plus 4x bracket raised to 5 into 8 into 3 plus x minus x square bracket raised to 7 into d by dx of 3 plus x minus x square, that is 1 minus 2x. 1 minus 2x plus 3 plus x minus x square bracket raised to 8 into derivative of 1 plus 4x bracket raised to 5. 5 in bracket 1 plus 4x bracket raised to 4. 5 1 plus 4x bracket raised to 4 into derivative of 1 plus 4x, that is 4. This is the required answer. We can simplify here. 5 into 4 20. So answer is 8 into 1 plus 4x bracket raised to 5 into 3 plus x minus x square bracket raised to 7 into 1 minus 2x plus 5 into 4 20. 3 plus x minus x square bracket raised to 8 into 1 plus 4x bracket raised to 4. This is the required answer. Now we will solve the second example, x upon root 7 minus 3x. It is of the type u upon v. It is of the type u upon v. So y is equal to x upon root 7 minus 3x is equal to u upon v. So differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to v into du by dx minus u dv by dx upon v square. Putting the values of u and v root 7 minus 3x into du by dx, u is x, so du by dx is 1 minus u x into dv by dx, v is root 7 minus 3x, derivative of root 7 minus 3x 1 upon 2 root 7 minus 3x into derivative of 7 minus 3x minus 3 by chain rule upon v square upon v is root 7 minus 3x root 7 minus 3x bracket square. Here minus into minus 3 plus 3. So root 7 minus 3x plus 3x upon 2 root 7 minus 3x upon root and square cancel 7 minus 3x. Here addition, we get root 7 minus 3x into 2 into root 7 minus 3x, 2 into 7 minus 3x plus 3x upon 2 root 7 minus 3x into 7 minus 3x equal to 2 into multiply in bracket 2 into 7 14 minus 6x plus 3x 14 minus 3x 14 minus 3x minus 6x plus 3x minus 3x 14 minus 3x upon 2 into root 7 minus 3x into 7 minus 3x 7 minus 3x raised to 3 by 2 1 plus 1 half raised to 3 by 2 2 into 7 minus 3x raised to 3 by 2. This is the required answer. Now we will solve the example 3. Log of root 1 minus cos 3x upon 1 plus cos 3x. First we simplify the given function, then we differentiate it with respect to x. Let the given function be y. Let y is equal to given function, that is y is equal to log root 1 minus cos 3x upon 1 plus cos 3x. 1 minus cos theta 2 sin square theta by 2 and 1 plus cos theta 2 cos square theta by 2. Theta is 3x. Therefore y is equal to log root 2 sin square 3x upon 2 cos square 3x upon 2. 2 to cancel, sin square upon cos square, tan square and root cancel. So y is equal to log of tan 3x upon 2. Differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx, derivative of log of fx 1 upon f of x into f dash of x. Therefore 1 upon tan 3x upon 2 into d by dx of tan 3x upon 2 is equal to 1 upon tan cot 3x upon 2 into derivative of tan 3x upon 2 sec square 3x upon 2 into derivative of 3x upon 2 3 by 2. Cot is equal to cos upon sin, cos 3x upon 2 upon sin 3x upon 2 into sec square is equal to 1 upon cos square, 1 upon cos square 3x upon 2 into 3 by 2. 1 cos 3x upon 2 gets cancelled. We get 3 upon 2 sin 3x upon 2 cos 3x upon 2. 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta. So we get 3 upon sin 3x is equal to 1 upon sin is cosec 3 cosec 3x, which is required answer. Okay, thank you.